Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove a player from your club within FIFA Mobile. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA Mobile game on your device and complete the basic tutorial levels if you're playing it for the first time. After completing these levels, you will be allowed to choose your home team and also set up your desired username. After setting up your team and username, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to remove any player from your club, tap on the club menu. Now from the club menu, tap on My Team and this will show you your team alignment. From this page, just choose whichever person or team member you would wish to remove from your team and you will see a transfer option. You can tap on Details to see the details of this player, and if you don't wish to keep this player within your team anymore, you can tap on the transfer button at the bottom right corner, which might not always be available if you have not progressed further within the game. So make sure you complete a few more levels after the first basic tutorials and you will gain access to transfer your player into another club. And there you have it. That is how you can proceed with deleting or removing a player from your club on FIFA Mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.